So we picked the 15 cars we believe best represent each major brand at its peak. You probably won't agree with every choice, and that's the point. This is a ride through style, heritage, and pure visual drama. Enjoy the journey. Let's discuss the one by one. Number 1, Acura, made by NSX. A mid-engine supercar that fused Japanese engineering with exotic styling. Its low stance, sharp angles, and pop-up headlights gave it timeless appeal. Balanced and refined, it looked exotic without feeling ostentatious. Number 2, Alfa Romeo, made by 8C Competizione. A sculpted Italian masterpiece with sweeping curves and a heritage grille. The proportions are sensual and dynamic, making it look like motion even at rest. Purely emotive design with racing pedigree written into every line. Number 3, Aston Martin, made by DB11. A modern expression of British elegance, long hood, fastback roofline, and restrained aggression. The DB11 pairs classic proportions with aerodynamic finesse. Luxurious yet purposeful from every angle. Number 4, Audi, made by R8. A minimalist mid-engine supercar with laser-cut lines and a wide, planted stance. LED lighting and clean surfaces give it a futuristic, surgical look. Precise, athletic, and unmistakably performance-oriented. Number 5, Bentley, made by Continental GT. A grand tour that combines muscular proportions with handcrafted luxury. Wide hips, a bold grille, and sculpted flanks convey power and refinement. Its opulent presence designed for long-distance authority. If you're enjoying the video, now's the time to hit like and subscribe. Number 6, BMW, made by 507. A 1950s roadster defined by flawless proportions and flowing fenders. Subtle chrome accents and a pure silhouette make it eternally elegant. It reads as classic, balanced, and effortlessly cool. Number 7, Bugatti, made by Type 57 SC Atlantic. Art Deco brilliance in automotive form, riveted spine, teardrop shape, and exaggerated fenders. The Atlantic is more sculpture than car, rare and hauntingly beautiful. Its drama is timeless and priceless. Number 8, Buick, made by Riviera, 1963. Jet-age American styling with a crisp roofline and hidden headlights. The 63 Riviera balanced flair and refinement for a distinctive, forward-thinking look. Bold and cinematic, it still stands out decades later. Number 9, Cadillac, made by CTSV Coupe. Sharp, angular, and performance-minded, the CTSV Coupe injected aggression into Cadillac luxury. Wedge-like proportions and a wide stance give it athletic intent. It redefined modern American executive sportiness. Number 10, Chevrolet, made by Corvette Stingray, 1963. An American icon with a split-window profile, sculpted hips, and a dramatic nose. The 63 Stingray combines futuristic cues with muscular form. A design that epitomizes 1960s automotive cool. Number 11, Chrysler, made by 300C. A bold, upright presence with a dominant grille and blocky silhouette. The 300CS design reads as authoritative and unapologetic. It's a modern interpretation of classic American luxury and swagger. Number 12, Citroën, made by DS. A visionary 1950s design with sleek, aerodynamic lines and advanced engineering aesthetics. The DS looked decades ahead with its minimalist face and flowing body. French futurism embodied in a road car. Number 13, Dodge, made by Challenger. Retro muscle translated into modern bulk, broad shoulders, planted stance, and aggressive front end. The Challenger mixes nostalgia with contemporary menace. It's designed to intimidate and celebrate power. Number 14, Ferrari, made by 250 GTO. A peak of 1960s racing beauty, balanced proportions, flowing curves, and purposeful aerodynamics. The 250 GTO is sculptural and compact, a race-bred work of art. Timeless, rare, and universally revered. Number 15, Fiat, made by 124 Spider. Compact Italian roadster charm with soft curves and classic proportions. The 124 Spider is approachable and romantic, with playful lines and tidy detailing. It's small-scale beauty designed for joy rather than speed. That's our lineup, 15 cars that, to us, capture each brand at its most beautiful. Now it's your turn. Which one do you think is the best? Which have you driven? And which is your ultimate dream car? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more car design stories and surprises.